Andrew, anyone who's ever driven a modern common rail diesel will be so frustrated at the huge delay or lag in the throttle response, but you've developed something here that quickly and easily cures that.
The computers have built into them in the vehicles delay, so when you're bouncing in the cabin or whatever they're trying to find, again, like anything, happy medium for the customer. With the plug and go, it allows you to plug this device in and remove those delays and lags, etc., so you have a much more aggressive throttle. That may not be something you need every day, but it might be now and then, so you can turn the plug and go on and off when you need it. We've got 3 settings on plug and go, so we have Sport, Sport Plus and Eco Off-Road, and probably as the name say, one's more sporty, one's even sportier than that, more aggressive, and then you've got one that's softer. Then each of those settings you can have 3 adjustments up or down, so it's highly adjustable, and eventually you'll find one that actually suits your driving needs. And again, different conditions. You might be in rocky conditions, you might be in sand where you need to snap out of throttle to stop getting bogged, or you might be just cruising on the highway but need a bit of overtaking throttle response.